Hey guys, welcome back to day 19 of Advent Swap 2019. So what you can see there is that I've taken two pieces of Tim Holtz paper and I have made a package out of them by just sewing around the edges. And that way it's nice and sealed. I didn't have to worry about using any kind of tape or wrapping paper. And I can't remember what's in there, but what is in there fit perfectly. And I just needed, these two 12 by 12 pieces. And, Tim Holtz papers always come with these like little 2 by 2 squares, and I think they have like some 4 by 4 or 6 by 6 squares, but I never really know what to do with them. So I figured, why not use them here, as like some wrapping paper, and it actually turned out really nice in the end. So I'm just using some of my wired ribbon that I got at Walmart, and then a wreath. You guys may have seen me create these wreaths in an earlier video. I believe it was day 6. So I'm just going to add that onto my ribbon and attach it to my tag, and then I'm using one of these leftover miniature cookie cutters and attaching it to my tag there. Now, I know that these are the two main things that I want to go on there, but I wasn't quite sure what else I wanted to layer in, so I took a bunch of the chipboard that I have from the huge sheet that I have that's My Mind's Eye. I think it's Cozy Christmas. I think that's the collection. But I'm just going to play around with a few different pieces here to see which one I like and see what works, with the colors and with the composition and all that. And I'm just going to attach everything to my ribbon. Now, because I had my wreath made in advance, I really didn't need to add too much to this because the wreath itself is, it's like a focal piece, I guess. That's the showstopper, is the wreath right there. So I didn't really need to add more than just the tag and those chipboard trees. If you do want to see how I made this wreath, go back to day 6. I show you how you can make this really quick and easy, and then I even show you some variations as well of other things that you could use. And so I'm just going to add some final touches here. Again, I'm trying to use up those puffy stickers, so I'm going to add some ice skates just to kind of use it up and add one more little layering piece here. I hope you guys like this. I hope you guys will try out making some of these wreaths. They are really quick and easy and make a really quick gift if you need something in a pinch. Alright, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hope you are having a happy holidays.